Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are doing great. Just want to give a quick update on the Thunderbird and what's going on right now. Yeah, it's still here at my place. We've had a bunch of crazy weather, some rain, a couple of windstorms here and there, and it's been sunny the last few days, so I came out, cleaned up the car, and I'm gonna take some pictures, send it to the owner, and see when we can have this thing picked up and out of here so I can get paid. We were going back and forth on what to do about the interior and the door panels. No matter where I seem to go, I can't find them all pre-assembled in one piece. They all come in multiple pieces. So this this would come separate, this would come separate, this would come separate, even off this little cloth back thing here, and you'd have to glue it and staple it and do all that other stuff, and that's not something I've done ever, and I really don't want to experiment on somebody's car. So I'm gonna tell, I think I've already sent the email, but I'm gonna tell them I've taken it as far as I can go, and it's still looking pretty good. Now that I've not spent days on end staring at it and critiquing every little itty bitty thing, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I tried showing my girlfriend some of the imperfections I was talking about, and she just looked at me like I was crazy. So yeah, the car's still here. Just waiting to hear back from the owner and see when we can schedule a time to pick this thing up. And like I've been saying in all the videos and everything I've talked about on this car, it's not perfect. We weren't going for perfection going into this car, because it does have a lot of other shortcomings outside of the paint and body work. But for a driver, and possibly I think he's gonna flip it, this will be just fine. And somebody can pick up where, I guess you want to say we've left off or something. So that's where we are on the Thunderbird. Just want to give a quick one on that. Just want to say what's up to everybody. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. I will do some other videos coming up. I've got some little knick-knack projects I want to do. And just give a couple shots on the reflection of the car. So, all right guys, just a real quick one. Just wanted to say what's up, what's going on, show you the car. And there it is. Just got to clean it up a little bit more, wax it, and then it'll be ready for pickup. All right guys, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next vid.